The new Datamanager 4.0 is a full-featured software package for job analyzing and scheduling developed by the Postpress experts at MBO. Datamanager allows for real-time adjustment of your production schedule to match the challenging demands of your customers. Schedule changes from urgent demands can be integrated into the workflow easily and immediately with a swipe of a finger. The new setup data is transmitted to the selected folder via Wi-Fi, so it is ready to retrieve. When loaded, the automated components of the folder will self-adjust to the new job requirements. While the automated components set themselves, the operator can tend to other details to complete the setup of the new job in a matter of minutes. MBO's Datamanager allows you to stay on schedule. Datamanager 4.0 is accessed through mobile devices and PCs, keeping your data at your fingertips. Datamanager efficiently monitors and collects the production data from all of your folders. Analysis of the captured production data will show you the way to increase your bindery's efficiency. Contact your MBO representative to learn more about how Datamanager 4.0 can help you optimize your bindery process.